All right, so if you want to create marketing videos that actually grab attention, yeah, Pika AI can make that process way easier. In this video, I'll show you how to create effective marketing videos step by step. First, quick idea. Marketing videos need to be visual, fast, and clear. And Pika helps you create that without complex editing. Start by opening Pika AI and logging into your account. Once you're inside, define your goal. Are you promoting a product, a service, or your brand? Now write a clear marketing-focused prompt so the AI understands what you want. For example, create a high-energy marketing video promoting a product with engaging visuals and smooth transitions. Then click Generate and Pika will start creating your video. It might take a few seconds, so just wait. Once your video is ready, preview it. Make sure it looks visually engaging with smooth motion and strong visuals. Keep your video short and focused. That's what works best for marketing. You can also create multiple versions of the same video and test which one performs better. After that, download your video and add captions, logos, or branding elements if needed. Then use your video in ads or social media and track how it performs. So yeah, Pika AI makes it easy to create marketing videos that are fast, engaging, and effective. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More AI marketing guides coming soon.